How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set IP address for router in Packet Tracer. So I've set it this way where we have router, we have switch and two devices. First things first, let's connect our router to our switch by using the copper straight through cable. And then we are going to use the gigabit connection. And just do the same thing for your computers. So just use the copper straight cable, fast Ethernet, and then connect it to your switch. Right after that, to finally set your IP address, click on your router, select the gigabit Ethernet 00, and then you could just set this to your own liking. To make things easier, we are going to use 192.168.0.1. It's really important to keep your IP address organized, and basically with the second or with our computers, you then want to edit it with the next one. Since we've already used dash 0.1, we are going to use .0.2. And for the last one, of course, it's going to be .0.3. Now you only want to do this to a particular switch with multiple devices, but if you're using other switches with other devices connected within it, you then want to change it into something like .1.2 or something similar. And so if we ping both of our devices right here, we could see that they sent each other a message successfully. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.